up, guys? It's Mike here at Nathan's Detailing, and this is Jason.
Hello, how you guys doing
Today we're talking about the Rivian R1T. This is actually the second one we had in here, probably just in the last couple of weeks, right, Jason?
Yeah, a couple of them.
So this is the forest green. So for this vehicle, we actually did a full PPF, paint protection film. And that means that every painted surface on this vehicle is going to get an extra layer of protection. Now, why is that important, Jay?
Well, we live in the north, rock, salt, bird droppings, any type of scratch.
Especially if you're going to take this thing off-road, right? You want to protect that paint. We call this our Stealth PPF. It's a matte finish. Very popular now, very trendy. And it just looks cool, right?
It's got a good thunk.
I really like that thunk.
Yeah, it has a really nice thunk to it.
This has a really good thunk. Let me hear.
So one thing you'll notice here is that there used to be a badge that says Rivian. We actually removed that when we installed the PPF. We remove all the badges here at Nathan's. It's going to give you a cleaner fit and finish. All right, so checking out the interior here, one of the first things I notice is this wood grain, right?
It's nice. Don't get a splinter, Mike.
Now, Jason, do you know if this is real wood?
So I would go to believe that this would be a faux wood due to the eco-friendly environment that the Rivian is trying to put off. That this would definitely be a faux wood in it.
There's been a lot of speculation here at the shop. We don't know if it's real wood or if this is some sort of composite. Maybe the folks at home, if you know, maybe you could put it in the comments for us and let us know.
Real or fake? Number one question.
Another thing I notice is this awesome panoramic roof. Check that out, Jay.
That's huge, man. It's like a bay window.
Stop that, Jason.
Oh, sorry.
You don't know what that does.
Nah, I think it raises it and lowers it.
Raises and lowers what?
The suspension.
Ooh, let's check that out. So this truck's got a fully adjustable suspension. Let it rip, Jay. So as you can see here, once it's fully adjusted, you're gonna get 14 inches of ground clearance, and it's gonna give you up to 3 feet of wading depth. Look at all that space under there. You can fit another truck under there. Check out the yellow right here.
There's some really nice subtle touches on
right?
Like
just
the
little subtle touches. They bring the color yellow into the vehicle here. They got it down there. Yellow calipers. One of the really cool features about this truck is the added storage space.
Hello. Hey Mike, open the hood real quick. There's no engine.
Jason, it's electric. Whoa!
Hey, I found your club in here.
There's even more storage under the seats. So the interior on this one's a little bit different than the last one. This actually has a, I think this is that green? Looks green to me.
Yeah. Nice green shade.
Green, vegan leather.
So I did go with the green on green interior just to kind of go along with the environmentalist.
Okay, cool.
The last one we did was all white. Check out the yellow in the ocean.
Mike, you can't talk like that. There's kids watching, man. It's the oh no handle.
My bad.
Really sporty back fin there, too.
That's probably for aerodynamics or something, huh?
Yep. Holds
Keeps that rear end
down.
planted.
There you go. Anybody that knows about cars, you need something that's this fast, you know, it has almost 800 horsepower. You definitely need something to keep the tires on the ground.
He's right. Let's check out some of the different drive modes. You got your all-purpose, right? This is all roads, all weather for all kinds of adventures. And you got your sport mode. Low, quick, responsive, and a whole lot of fun. Conserve, so that's gonna make this an even more eco-friendly vehicle. Got your snow mode, this is gonna get you extra traction in the snow, slush, and ice. And then my favorite, off-road. They even give you a little disclaimer there telling you, hey, listen, this is no pavement princess, okay?
Pavement princess.
Got your heated seats. What's that paw print, you think?
Probably for a doggy. Let's see what happens.
Pet comfort. Keep your pet comfy and safe in the cabin while you're away. Only used for pets. Never leave a child unattended in this vehicle. You can leave a dog in here, is what it's saying?
You can leave a dog or a cat, just not a human.
All right, network. So this is going to link you to the Rivian network. It's going to show you where the next Rivian dealer is, closest Rivian dealer. It's going to tell you where your charging points are. So another really cool feature on this truck is it actually has a self-leveling feature. And basically what that means is it's going to keep you safe and put exactly where you are. Just like my wife. I'm really, really sorry, babe. I love you, I love you, I love you. Jason made me do it. So you got your different camera views here. You got your top-down view, right? It's gonna help you check your surroundings, make sure nothing's in the way when you're trying to park the vehicle. Oh, now that's the rear view.
That display is cool when you were doing that drive.
Oh, it picks up the GPS, the map. Look at that.
Turn your blinker on real quick. You know what? I really like the sound that the buttons make. It's more of like a click than a clunk. Listen.
It's the little things, right?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't know if you noticed, but the turn signal sounds like a dewdrop.
So this is the part of the video where we talk about liking, sharing, subscribing. Guys, we don't make this content for us, we make it for you. So if there's something you want us to talk about, a particular car you want to see, whatever the case, we want to hear from you, we want to know about it. So put it in the comments and like, share, subscribe.
There you go.